Are you frustrated with the performance of your laptop? If so, this is the simplest trick you can do to speed up your laptop. So, first is we have to bench our CPU, okay, just to test the speed. So my CPU is Intel Core i7 8550U at 1.8 GHz. So you can see the performance is like normal, 916 and 165. So the trick is just plugging in your laptop. So if you want to use it and you want it to use faster, just plug in your laptop. So you see it's plugged in, and then we'll try to bench it again. You can see the scores are much higher, 1700 in the CPU multi-thread, and in single thread it doubles like 350. So what this means is the CPU boosts at its maximum clock speed when you have a power source. So in battery it goes on power saving mode, so it decreases the performance of your laptop. So yeah, that is the simplest trick. So if you want more tricks, just subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye.